Today, our invited presenters will give 7 high-quality presentations on a wide range of topics.
From this year, we have some new member companies. I'm happy to see here also some of the representatives of Atlas Copco and Solner, and also from Duvenberg.
We always played with the idea that Hungary has built bridge between West and East. And that's why we organized the summer university together with the Austrian Ergonomic Society.
Sometimes there are undersupply from the manpower. In this situation, in principle, all candidates have to be applied in principle. But still, the atom can be used for disqualification purposes. Because those who are absolutely not probable that they will have a successful job, it's not worth to employ, even if you very much need the manpower. Because this will cause only costs, accidents, etc.
The core content of this technical report, based on a given level of biomechanical load, represented by that index, we determine and we apply an allowance, so an additional performance on top of the basic time in order to dilute the basic time considering the biomechanical load.
By integrating innovative digital tools, for example, virtual reality and simulation tools, work environments can be designed to be productive and healthy from the very beginning. As an end-to-end modeling language, MTM HWD makes an important contribution to IT systems of the future. Together, we are paving the way for the future and designing productive and healthy work environments in one digital language. MTM HWD, a quantum leap for the design of human work in tomorrow's production lines.
Szerettem volna önöknek bemutatni, hogy hogyan dolgozunk mi, hogy érdekösködünk az diárban, illetve azt is, hogy hogyan fogunk.
Simulation approach, so that it's not longer needed to analyze, to operate on a manually by describing it with NTMUS, for example, but to have a human model, a simulation model, which also gets the information what the operator do, and then can simulate the motion by simulation.
Now we are inside on the HWD analysis. So we have 2 ways to analyze. We can click each line and fill out the pictograms, or we use the standard operations like URS standard operation. I'm not sure if you know that. We have a similar system here in the HWD, it's the modeling templates.
The way how we do that is the chronological description of the process and the connection with the chronological description of the body postures down to the figure, so we are able to map the kinematic information that is available in these digital human models or kinematic information which is in a mocap suite or in a VR system, and also in video analysis where you can track the motions. And in order to combine this digital world with a proper time or a proper ergonomic assessment, this is what we wanted to show you, and this became possible by applying HWD.
If you need to achieve that much on a day, then the last thing you want is not motivated employees. So motivated employees are really important. That's why we wanted to create a file building system that motivates everyone. So what was our goals and how we wanted to achieve it? So our goal was that we wanted to have a transparent and plannable order picking capacity that enables the manager to distribute workload easier and more fair for the workers.
We have to drive 147 meters to the first location. We have to stop at the location. We have to jump off the truck, move to the pallet, and pick the product. And so you see it goes down to all the analysis, and this is the first 18 minutes, and it has 170 codes.
The Austrian Workers' Compensation Board, AOVA, just analyzed the situation rather intensely in the field of MSDs, and we came to the conclusion that 21.6% of all sick leave days are caused by MSD problems of various kinds. That means in average 16.9 sick leave days per case for such a case, and that around 40% of all MSDs are work-related.